late nights I remember your voice telling me that I still had a choice. Through the shadows you carried me home. You're the reason I've never been alone. And every road I take, I feel the love you gave. Mom, you're my song, the words in my heart, the melody playing when life falls apart. You're the reason I know where I belong. Forever my mother, forever my song.
Good evening. Tonight is December 20, 2025. I just want to greet you, Annie. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come, more birthdays to celebrate. I wish you joy, happiness, and good health. And remember na may pinagsamahan tayo. Hindi ko yan pwedeng i-disregard. Despite of our misunderstandings, andun pa rin yung respeto at love natin sa isa't isa. Kabil na kita bilang sister. Okay? And I wish you God bless always. Bye-bye!
Hi, Tita Annie. Good evening. Kay Gabi Diri. Hi. Wow, happy birthday. How old are you na? I'm happy for you nga ara kada sa Pilipinas. Sa pamilya mo And always nga tugon ko sa imo sang ari kadi nga di ka magpa-stress. Enjoy mo ang life nga ginhatag pa sa imo ni God. I always pray for you, and don't forget to thank God for every day of life. Ha? Sige, amo lang na anay kay tiari ko sa work. Kasi enjoy mo na lang ang birthday mo. Bye-bye. See you soon.
72nd birthday mo. Happy birthday. Malayo ka sa amin, but you're always on our thoughts. And Merry Christmas na rin sa iyo dyan. Kasama namin si Dodo ngayon na masyal sa...
Hi, Manang Ani. Happy birthday. 72nd birthday. Bata pa but anyway, I wish you happy ka. Kung ara ka subong sa Manila, I think Dodong was saying earlier. But we wish you a very happy birthday and enjoy your day. And again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey, Tita Annie, EJ. I just want to say happy birthday and Merry Christmas. Get well soon, and then when you get well, that you'll come and visit us.
Happy birthday again, Annie.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Annie. Kumusta ka dyan? Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health. At marami pang birthday na darating. Huwag baka stress palagi. Lagi lang masaya. Masahiin na lang kita pagbalik. Bayad utang. Tsaka madyong na lang tayo. Pero maaga na lang ang tapos. Love you, Tita Annie. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Love you.
Nay, happy birthday, Nay. Get well soon. I declare healing, Nay. Healing para sa inyo. In Jesus' name. See you soon, Nay. Malapit na rin ako mo. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Annie. I wish you more birthday to come. more candles to blow, and God bless you always. And I know na very very soon magiging okay ka na, and see you soon here again in Chicago. Happy birthday, Tita. I miss you and I love you always. See you soon, Tita.
Happy birthday, Lola. Wishing you a long and healthy life ahead. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lani. I wish that you have good health and healthy body. And I wish that you will get better soon. And I hope we will meet soon. And again, happy birthday, Lani.
Hello, Nang Ani. Kamusta ka na da? I hope you're okay. Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Don't always remember that we're always here for you. Don't forget to pray always and always be strong. We love you and we hope to see you soon. Bye. God bless.
Sister, I wish you a happy birthday and wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Okay? Baby girl, I love you and I miss you and I will see you soon. Mwah! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po, Nanay Annie! I hope you enjoy your day today and sana po gumaling ka na, friend, and be strong kasi lagi po ako nagpe-pray kay God na i-heal ka niya para makapag-bond pa po tayo ng mas masaya. And always remember din po na sobrang saya ko po na na-meet po kita sa personal. And sana po yung handa po sa Pasko is yung empanada po na gawa nyo kasi sa sobrang sarap po, naging favorite ko na rin po yun. And ingat po kayo pabalik dito sa Bacolod. And happy birthday po ulit. Love you always, Nanay Annie.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nay. Magaling ka dyan. Sana maging okay ka na. Andito lang kami lagi para mag-pray.
I love you, Nanay. Bye. Love you, Nay.
Birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday to come, Nay. Kaya po, bumalik na po yung lakas mo. And dito lang po kami palagi. We always love you, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nanay Annie! Ay, Nay, happy birthday po. We are praying always ng imong health and we are also praying na maupod ka pa ng dugay, especially nga magpasalamat sa kay Lord kay Tintalaya ka dire balik liwat sa Bacolod sa amon kag sa mga birthday liwat ng another year and another blessing give no nga ginhatag sa Ginoo. And we are praying para sa imo na kabay pa nga dugay daw ka pa naman maupod. Diba, Nay? Sige na, liwat, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Nanay! Love you!
Ay, happy birthday! Wish ko kay mo nga maging happy ka lang permi. Iwasan mo lang ang mga stress para magmayad ka. Kag imubulong, inumuno permi. Wish ko lang sa imo nga magmayad ikaw, magnami imong lawas liwat. Kag long life para sa imo. Kag pasalamat man ko nga nagtuli ka para at least nagtelefon kita. Kag bisan wala kita subong iba sa birthday mo, okay lang. Damo pa man nga oras. Happy birthday, Nay. Love you.
Happy birthday. Halong kayo dyan. Ito si
Happy
Annalyn
birthday, Nay! Kadto kami na sa ER.
Yung tuhod ko. Sakit. Ang palantaw man ko sa ER. O sige. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dodong Heng. I can never ask for another mother. You are the best mother. You're the only one I want. Happy birthday, Ma, and Merry Christmas.
Every dream I'm chasing is painted and true. And even when I fall, The